สวัสดีค่ะ
Good morning guys and welcome back to another video. A little walking video today. Khao Takiab Beach in Hua Hin. This beach is not bad at all. Wait till we have a look. I'll walk down here a little bit and show you all what it's like. You've got public toilets here, which are very clean and nice, I must say. This might be a restaurant, I'm not really sure, but really good vibe, really good atmosphere. Not bad at all. Khao Takiab Beach in Hua Hin. Probably about 15 minutes drive south of Hua Hin, which is not far. You just get on the 15 baht green baht buses and away you go, mate. It's the last stop. This is a beautiful area. Check this out. Look at this cliff here. Look at that bad boy. Got some gardens here, restaurants. Not much shade, but you can find it if need be. Imagine just sitting here on a couple of Leos having a pad kapow, watching the world go by on this beautiful beach. Hey? Let's go down and have a look. Looks nice. It's probably about 27, 28 degrees. It's pretty hot, it's humid. Big bloody monkey went down there about 2 minutes ago. It scared the shit out of me. Monkey, monkey, monkey! But anyway, let's continue on. Have a look at this, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All little houses along the end here. There's probably a few cafes and bars and stuff as well. That nice breeze. Couple of boats. There we go. Let's go for a quick walk down here. Look at this joint. I think that's a restaurant or something below that Buddha. Might go up there and have a look too, I think. It's beautiful. Just beautiful, I must say. Now, what's up here? Page Spacebar. This joint looks alright actually. Have a look at this. Probably cost you 300 for a Leo though, but won't be doing that. Check this joint out, mate. Scoop Beach Cafe. Have a look. Looks a bit posh. See if I get told off for going in here. Nice little swing there. It's a little cool swing. Very nice, like villa condos, I think. Oh wow. Looks very nice. Wow. Now that is a very inviting swimming pool, that is. Very inviting swimming pool. Looks like you can buy villas here, I would say. They'd be an absolute fortune. Absolute fortune. Wow. Oh, here we go. What's it? From 99,000. Yeah, I don't know. That'd be the cheapest one at the back, probably, I would say. Oh, no. Oh, it's hotel as well, is it? For hotel guests only. Very nice. Very nice. The pools look amazing. Coffee shop in there. Lovely. Lovely. Very nice. So Khao Takiab Beach in Hua Hin. As I said, it's about 15 minutes from the centre of Hua Hin in a, you know, those green little Songtail buses you get on, hop off type thing. They're about, what was it, 15 baht. Cheap as chips. Took about 15 minutes to get there. No dramas at all. Alright, I think we might go up and have a look at the restaurant or whatever that is up there. Looks like there's a good view. Let's go. The tide's out at the moment, obviously. All the boats still here. Plenty of crabs all over the ground, just small baby ones going in. We'll just go a bit further out and have a look-see. Let's have a look at the water, shall we? Look at that, man. Where else would you want to be? That's Hua Hin. That's, if you look at the far right there, that's the Hilton straight ahead, directly in front, in between those two boats. So that gives you an indication of where we are roughly south of Hua Hin. It's not far at all, mate. And look at that joint. Look at the roof lining on that. What the hell? Ah. Old fishermen's boats here. Not bad at all. Hopefully the wind noise is okay. Get a bit further out here and have a look. Go on a jet ski. Yeah, I think I can sit up there and have a leo or two. Maybe a pad kapow and watch the world go by. The water's not choppy at all either. It's a good beach to come have a swim. Tide goes quite far out. Haven't seen any little jellyfish in here yet. A few little crabs at the start there, but that's nothing. They're in baby ones. But there's can't see any jellyfish. Alright, let's go for a walk up the stairs and see what we can find up here. Should be a good view from up here, I reckon. There's a couple of shops. By the looks of things, a couple of restaurants. There we go. Welcome, Takiab Beach. Oh, this looks cool. Very nice. Very nice. Sweaty cup. Cold beer. Nice. View already looks good from up here. All the guys setting up early. It is only early. It's only about 10:30, I think. Sweaty cup. Plenty of drinks here. Whatever you like. Leo, everything. It's good. Cup and cup. Can't see it from underneath, but this is where you pray and put your donations in. Oh wow. It's the Buddha. It's the view from down where we come from. Down there. Lovely. Let's keep going. Up some more stairs. Not sure where we're going now. Oh, he's going up the Monkey Mountain. There's steep stairs there. Pretty sure this is Monkey Mountain. I'm not 100% sure, but could be wrong. That's pretty steep. There's the view from the top of the cliff. What's down here? Anything down here? Hopefully no monkeys come out and bloody go me. That looks probably private property down there, I'd say. But that's that. Look at that for a view, eh? Sitting here watching the world go by. What more could you ask for? Beautiful. Alright, we're just going to climb these 100 or so steep stairs to go to the top here and see if we can find any monkeys. Hopefully not. Well, this is the view from the top. Beautiful coastline of Hua Hin. Not bad at all, I should say. Not bad at all. Let's keep going.
Hands up, hop
guys. How good is this? Beautiful. Just beautiful. Even the cats enjoying themselves. Look at that. What a life.